Yo, what's up guys? It's Alpha94 here with video tutorial on showing you how to add flash support for your iDevice. So basically with flash support you can go to, like, let's say yahoo.com, and instead of having those little ads block up, they will all show up because you have of course flash support. I mean, it's not really Flash that will let you play videos and, on websites, but, I mean, you can just tap on them and it will lead you to the YouTube video, thing, but is that going to play directly from that website? In my opinion, this is something that Apple should have done a long time ago, but, I guess there was some copyright issues or something like that, I'm not so sure. But I knew that Steve Jobs liked to, what's the word I'm looking for, be dependent on his own stuff. Which, I understand, Yeah, Steve Jobs was like an amazing guy. I'm not going to down him for not putting flash support on, his iDevices, He was an amazing guy who made, the full Apple, PC, Mac and stuff like that, and of course the iPhone and iPod Touch, so, just rest in peace, That's my own little tribute to him. Okay, so, of course, I forgot to say go to Cynthia, if I haven't already said that. Then go to Manage, and go to Sources. Then go to Add, sorry, my bad, and then click Add. No, not click, I mean Touch, sorry. And you just want to type in this, source. Alright, so then you just add source and, whatever. I already have it, so, and then after you add it, just go down all the way to the, source, which will be, yeah, right here. Alright, you want to go, down to, you see, it's called Flash. It's basically Flash for iOS, you just name it differently, I guess, whatever. Then just tap on that, and install and download that, and after you're done, you have Flash support. For example, I'll show you, right here. And if you guys notice from my iPod says 3G there, I don't really get 3G signal. It does say winter board theme, so if you guys want to know how to get that theme, just comment below and I'll give you the tile thing, whatever. Alright, so let's try Yahoo. And you see that, no, it's going to direct me to the mobile site. Oh, actually not. It did it the fourth time, so I'm like... And as you see, it actually showed this. If you didn't have this tweak or flash, it would not support it and it won't show it, but, it shows that, women and, all the flash there. Pretty nice to have, show all the stuff on the website. Pretty cool. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and comment down below. If you have any questions, just message me or comment down below. Alright guys, peace.